Hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we are counting all this Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. And today we are counting all of our envelopes for the 100 envelope challenge. I have enlisted my daughter, Shania, to help me unstuff these and put them in the cash tray before we start to count to see how much we actually saved. Remember, from 89 all the way to 100, all of those have $100 bills in it. So we're way over $5,050. Let's get unstuffing. I'm going to speed you up. So we'll be back. Boy. All right, y'all, I had to stand up on that one. That was a lot of unstuffing. Thank you, Shania, for helping me out with that. So this is it, y'all. Let's count. We're gonna bring out overliable, and I'm gonna fast forward this, but you're gonna see how much it is. All right, let me get some water or something before I start. Be back. Okay, so it's showing that I have $5,127. I don't know, for some reason I don't think that's correct, so I'm going to count it again, but in a different way, just to ease my mind. Let's see. So yeah, I'm gonna count it one more time, just to make sure that I do have what I supposed to have. But I mean, we made our goal 5,127, but just for my sake, I'm gonna count it one more time and I'll come back. Okay, so we recounted like 4 times, and then I bought out the money counter, and so we are at $5,106. That's what we're gonna go with, and that's what we have. Let me find my marker, and we're going to do $5,106. All right, thank you guys. So let's go ahead and look at the next $5,000 challenge and take the money that we just put together from the Save with Baddie challenge and our leftover money from last week and see what we can stuff with that one. Alrighty, so this is the next one that we're going to do. So I took the money that I had in my Save with Baddie challenge and the rollover money that we had, and let's see how much we have. 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 265, 266, 266, 270, 275, 280, 285, 86, 87, 88, 89, 290, 1, 2, 3, 4, 294. So let's see. Oh, look, it has a 295. Let me see if I can grab $1 out of my wallet. All right, the beautiful, wonderful wallet decides to grace us with her presence. And I actually haven't used too much of my money. Of course, I went grocery shopping. And I put gas. Let's see, eat out. Nope. I needed one. I might have it in the groceries. Yep, here we go. We'll take $1 out of groceries. Just to make up that $1. $1 make you holla. Alrighty, let's color in this $2.95. I like purple, so let's do a purple. Maybe I'll do better coloring on a digital than I do. I'm just supposed to straighten out. Oh yeah, let's see. Straight. And as you see, I cannot draw a straight line, but I'm glad it autocorrects. And then we color. $2.95. Bye. Bye. See you later, alligator. There. $2.95 is done. On to our second $5,000 for this Hawaii trip. Thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video. It was a lot going on, but I'm super excited that we were able to finish the first 100 envelope challenge, and now we're starting on the 5,000 savings challenge. So yeah, until next time, do all the things, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Keep it moving, keep it going, keep it growing. You can do this. I believe in you. If I can do it, you can too. Until next time, where we close out our sinking funds.